In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube video to Figma if you're designing a presentation, a prototype, or a handoff doc. And want to show a video in context, adding a YouTube clip directly onto your Figma canvas can make your work clearer and more engaging. I'll walk you through the exact flow, and I'll add helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. Start in your Figma file with the frame where you want the video to appear. Look down at the bottom of the Figma window and click the action icon. This opens the Quick Actions area, which is a handy way to reach features without digging through menus. In the overlay that appears, choose Plugins and Widgets. This is where you can find and launch community-built tools that extend what Figma can do. In the search field, type Ampere. You're looking for the option called YouTube and Vimeo Video. When it shows up in the results, click it to open. This plugin is specifically designed to place an embeddable video object on your canvas using a simple link, which is perfect for maintaining visual fidelity in your design without exporting screenshots or placeholders. Now switch to your browser and go to YouTube. Open the video you want to use and copy the URL from the address bar. Using the standard watch link works best, especially if you want to avoid playlists or timestamp quirks. If the video is set to private or restricted, keep in mind it may not display as expected inside Design Tools. Head back to Figma. In the plugin panel, paste the YouTube link into the field provided, then click the arrow button to confirm. The plugin will fetch the video and place a preview on your canvas. From here, you can drag to reposition it and resize it like any other object, keeping it aligned with your layout and grids. If the preview doesn't appear, double-check that you pasted the full URL and that the video is publicly accessible. If you didn't see the plugin when searching earlier, make sure Ampere is spelled correctly and that you're in the Plugins and Widgets view. That's all there is to it. Click the action icon, open Plugins and Widgets, search for Ampere, choose YouTube and Vimeo Video, copy your YouTube URL, and paste it back in Figma, then hit the arrow. You now have a clean, scalable video element right inside your design, ready to present or share with your team.